Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're shedding some light on a truly vital nutrient often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. From building strong bones and supporting our immune system to playing a role in mood regulation and overall health, vitamin D is incredibly important. But how do we get it? What are its benefits? And are we getting enough? In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about vitamin D. We'll uncover its amazing benefits, discuss the best ways to obtain it, including sunshine, reveal dietary sources, address deficiency risks, and touch upon supplementation. So, let's soak up some knowledge. What is vitamin D? The basics. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is vitamin D? It's a fat-soluble vitamin that our bodies can produce when our skin is exposed to ultraviolet, UVB, rays from sunlight. There are two main forms relevant to human health: vitamin D2, ergocalciferol, found in some plant-based foods and fortified foods. Vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, produced in our skin in response to sunlight and also found in some animal-based foods. Both D2 and D3 are eventually converted into the active form of vitamin D in the body through a two-step process involving the liver and kidneys. Being fat-soluble means vitamin D can be stored in the body, primarily in fat tissue. The incredible benefits of vitamin D. Now, let's explore the remarkable ways vitamin D supports our health, bone health. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption from the gut and helps maintain adequate blood levels of calcium and phosphate, which are essential for strong and healthy bones. It can help prevent conditions like rickets in children and osteomalacia and osteoporosis in adults. Immune system support. Vitamin D is important for the proper functioning of the immune system. It helps regulate immune responses and may play a role in protecting against infections and autoimmune diseases. Cell growth and differentiation. Vitamin D is involved in cell growth, differentiation, and proliferation throughout the body. Mood regulation. Some research suggests a link between vitamin D levels and mood regulation. Low levels have been associated with an increased risk of depression in some studies, although more research is needed. Muscle function. Vitamin D contributes to muscle strength and function, which is important for mobility and preventing falls, especially in older adults. Other potential benefits. Emerging research suggests that vitamin D may play a role in other areas of health, such as cardiovascular function and cancer prevention, but more studies are needed to confirm these links. Sources of vitamin D. How to get enough. There are three main ways we can obtain vitamin D. Sunlight exposure. When UVB rays from sunlight hit our skin, they trigger the synthesis of vitamin D3. The amount of vitamin D produced depends on factors like time of day, season, latitude, skin pigmentation, and sunscreen use. Food sources. Some foods naturally contain vitamin D, although the amounts are generally not very high. These include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, egg yolks, and liver. Fortified foods. Many foods are fortified with vitamin D to help increase intake in the population. These include milk, yogurt, orange juice, and breakfast cereals. Always check the nutrition label. For many people, especially those living in areas with limited sunlight exposure or with darker skin, it can be challenging to obtain sufficient vitamin D from sunlight and food alone. Vitamin D deficiency, risks and symptoms. Vitamin D deficiency is a widespread issue. Insufficient levels can have significant health consequences. Some common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency can be subtle, but may include fatigue and tiredness, feeling unusually tired and lacking energy. Bone pain, aching or tenderness in the bones. Muscle weakness, difficulty with physical activities. frequent infections, due to a compromised immune system. Bone loss, over time, deficiency can contribute to osteoporosis and fractures. Depressed mood, some studies link low vitamin D levels to depression. Impaired wound healing, certain populations are at a higher risk of vitamin D deficiency, including older adults, individuals with limited sun exposure, for example, those who are housebound or wear covering clothing, people with darker skin pigmentation, as melanin reduces UVB absorption, and individuals with certain medical conditions that affect absorption. Vitamin D supplementation, when and how much? Due to the prevalence of vitamin D deficiency, supplementation is often recommended. Vitamin D supplements are available in two main forms, D2, ergocalciferol, and D3, cholecalciferol. D3 is generally considered more effective at raising and maintaining vitamin D levels in the blood. The best way to determine if you need vitamin D supplementation and the appropriate dosage is to have your blood levels tested by your doctor. The recommended daily intake varies by age and individual needs. General guidelines often suggest, adults, 600 to 800 IU, international units, per day, but higher doses may be recommended based on blood tests. Older adults often require higher doses. Infants and children, specific recommendations exist and should be followed under pediatric guidance. It's important not to take high doses of vitamin D without medical supervision, as excessive intake can lead to toxicity, although this is relatively rare. Key takeaways and recommendations to summarize the power of the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, immune function, and may play a role in other aspects of health. We can obtain it through sunlight, limited food sources, and fortified foods. Vitamin D deficiency is common and can have various health consequences. Blood testing is the best way to assess your vitamin D levels. Supplementation is often recommended, but dosage should be determined by a healthcare professional. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the vital role of vitamin D. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more nutritional insights, and share your thoughts or experiences with vitamin D in the comments below. Outro and call to action: remember to prioritize safe sun exposure, incorporate vitamin D rich foods into your diet, and talk to your doctor about your vitamin D levels. Stay healthy and shine on.